This one tool helps us manage our website, and if you're not using it, you could be missing out on a tremendous opportunity to keep your site updated without ever having any downtime in your live site. Find out next on this week's episode of Techno Thursday. Now drop that beat, Maddie. We use SiteGround for our hosting, but every good web host has this feature, and if it doesn't, maybe it's time to find a new hosting company. That's right, we're talking about staging. Having a staging environment for your live site is so helpful in allowing you to manage your updates, make edits, and keep your site looking clean without the worry of breaking anything and having your live site go down while you scramble to find the bug. What is staging? With SiteGround's one-click staging tool, you can easily create a fully functional copy of your WordPress or WooCommerce shop and test major changes safely before applying them on your production site. The tool also automatically backs up your current site before each staging upload. Without knowing, you couldn't tell the difference between our staging and live site, but what makes this so powerful is we can update existing pages, create new pages, run back-end edits, and then just simply push staging site live with little to no downtime. Using SiteGround's staging tool, you go into the back end of our hosting, click on staging, run a full deploy, and it will run or push any updates we did on the staging site to our live site. Check to see if your web host has a staging tool and think about implementing it today. You won't be sorry.